Uraga. Big bros. I don't know.
No wala. Boom.
Yeah.
Nah, magaran so
Look at my brother. See, he looks. I'm older than this guy. You. Da. Musong.
Bari be na gara.
Ajo ibrang ini.
Iya pa wak.
This is my brother. His name is Enefio. He's actually a very good nigga. Yeah. Emily, what is it? Oh, okay. Nsido. What is it? Oh yeah, shake. Nsido. Be moko. Come here, don't. Come. Then come on. Papa, I'll kiss you. Why? Your medicine phone. Okay. So this, babe.
Come now.
So. Right. Mama, Baba.
Don't follow.
Are you taking them down?
Leave me now.
Goes down now. Okay, camera off.
No. Leave me now.
You do your uncle man. You do your uncle man. You do your uncle man. Come on, this grandma. This one is not only grandma. This one is great grandma. Great grandma. In fact, great grandma. Yes, great grandma. Wow. Great grandma. She has children that have children that have children.
Wow.
Come on, Dennis.
Dennis. Oh, man. How are you? Fine. Wisdom.
Baby, watch that thing. She's hugging great grandma. Oh yeah, hug her. She's hugging great grandma.
Leave me now, you people, leave me now. No, they like I'm leave me now.
Wisdom.
Sorry. Just sorry. Mama, just sorry. Just sorry.
Dennis, what happened, baby?
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Let me take that.
Beverly's following this farm. She's afraid of.
You're scared of chicken. Chicken will catch you. Okay guys, so let me take you guys around this old place. Okay. Good evening, Kenamo. Hi beautiful, how are you? Say hi.
Hi.
Say na yante diami. Kenam. Say garim for what? Okay guys, so this is our village, the back side. It has this sand structure here. Yeah, this is my grandmother's. This is my grandmother's room, and that other side used to be her kitchen where she keeps her food stuff, and of course food cooking. And she was buried in that other side. And this, you know what I mean, Yofu? Yeah. Yeah, man, on town, young Moto. Beverly, did you say hi? Ask her, how are you? Ask her, what is your name? Say, what is your name? Okay guys, so let's go to the backyard. This is how the side is. Oh my goodness. And this is where they used to sit, and this is my grandmother's section. Although since she's not around, this is where we used to sit before. Since she's not around, this whole place is just like we're all in the township. This used to be my grandmother's kitchen, but one side is down. Although you see there's zinc covering this what do they call this thing? I know what they call it in my language, but I don't know what they call it in English. This roof, this local roof, there's zinc covering it, so the building is not going to collapse. My grandmother did that, you know, before she died. And she used to have one kitchen here, which is not there anymore. And this is the backyard where my grandmom used to farm a whole lot of stuff. And this is the back side. So this is the back side of my grandmother's house. This is our own section. This section used to be, as a then child, I was with my grandmother. You know, I lived with my grandmother for so long. This side used to be her husband's mother. This side used to be her home side. But you know, since she's not around, the place is not used. We use it once in a while when we come around. Yeah, so that's how this whole place is. So they have toilets around that side. You know, village now, they used to have their toilet outside. They don't have toilets inside the house. So that is my grandmother's kitchen area. Yeah, and I want to go and actually look for leaf that I would go with, like a Tama and a Editan. And of course we have some, you know, new people here who are living here, like, you know, like tenants and all, just to keep the compound alive. So most of them might not know me, I might not know some of them. The ones that I know have actually maybe packed out. So some of them that I don't know are still are here. So that is my mama. She's looking for something to film.
Your mama in her father's compound.
Yes.
And this is my daughter. Oh God. Open now.
What's in the open? So we...
Please hold on.
Okay.
Yeah, this is your mama in her father's compound.
Okay.
And here is my daughter in her grandmama's compound.
Yes, so and here is Beverly in her great grandmother's compound.
Yes.
Beverly in her great grandmother's compound.
Mama say hi. I trust
Good
you,
girl. So this used to, and I'm sure it's still our bedroom when my grandmother was alive. Yeah, this is the bedroom, and this is the backyard where we have, you know, plantation.
Yeah.
And that is the toilet I was trying to show you guys. And of course this is Editan leaf, is edible leaf.
Yes.
This particular one though, this one.
Hold it for me.
Okay.
Yeah, this is what we call Editan. This is Editan leaf, and whenever I'm cooking this Editan leaf, there is a song that always goes with it. There is a song that always goes with it, and the song says Editana song of a Editana song of a Editana song of a Editana song of a. Meaning that this Editan senior Afang, no Afang, it's senior Afang itself.
Afang leaf itself.
Yes, senior Afang leaf itself. So that Afang is a younger person in the bush.
Yeah.
This Editan used to be very bitter, but when you prepare it, it used to be very sweet and delicious. The mama. Yeah.
Don't touch my baby's mouth.
Anytime.
Yay! This is my mama's house. Everybody come. Mama. Suck it. Yeah, like this. I want to go and collect it. Alright guys, so this is my house. So I wanted to take you guys around the whole place. I'm not done yet, so let me take you guys around, okay? Let's go. Let's go there. Let's go there. Okay? See, the reason why we stop in my friend's place and eat is because I know that in this place we would or might, we would not be eating because there is nobody here to cook for us to eat. My grandmother is not around, and some other people that we know are not around too, so nobody's gonna cook for us to eat. So I'm like, okay, let's eat in my friend's place. And of course they serve us, so we did not ask for, even if we asked for, we come. Promise. I'm asking how old she is.
She don't know.
Okay, she does not know.
Village people don't
usually know their age or something.
They don't talk about it.
Okay guys, so let me take you. Okay, so this is the back side. This is the behind, not back, the other side I took you guys was the back. So this is the sand structure which my grandmom and my grandfather used to manage with before they built this cement on. Okay, so we have like two different houses, the cement and the sand. Of course the sand is under a roof, so it won't collapse even if rain comes. Yeah, and this is atama leaf. Atama leaf used to be very tasty. Like most of these village people, they don't usually like make use of this atama. Yes, sweet. You fall down. Oh, so sorry. Who made you fall? Your friend? Promise you make her fall. Promise, how are you? Good girl. Are you in school? I'm asking her if she's in school. I make her fun with. She said no. Okay, maybe she's not up to the age, or maybe they think she shouldn't be up to the age of going to school or something. I don't know. But that's not important. Yeah. So yeah, this is the back side of my compound. Like, honey. There's enough memory when it comes to this side. When it comes to this compound, there's enough memory because I went to let's say a little part of my school here in this village. So I kind of know a lot of people. Like some people are actually my friend, like schoolmates, like just like that. They branch in her place. So I'm trying to grab this thing because it's good to use and scratch it here. Yeah. The chicken here are actually naturally raised, so this would be very strong to use hand to scratch it. Yeah, we used to go to the beach. I don't know, there won't be time to go to the beach from this road down. Yeah, there's one beach, they call it Idamakai.
That's not a beach, that is a stream.
Sorry.
Yeah,
stream. Idumakai, they call it Idumakai. So we used to, you know, fetch water for grandma there in that stream, you know, and of course take our bait there too, you know. It used to be fun when we were here. Okay, but now we're not here anymore and grandma is not here, so what are we gonna all right guys, so let's go to the front side. This is my grandfather's butter. Yes, I did middle. Oh. And then one me more is roof up. If you guys can remember him in my traditional marriage, you know, he stood there as my father. Yeah, so you guys saw this man and this man in that Ukeme's wedding.